Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing tow hitch, your backup camera with a tailgate step. We even get mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards with the side view camera, blind spot detection with turn light and spotlight indicated mirrors, blind spot. Yeah, I just said that. We do get a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5. Pretty comfortable. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. We of course do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat as well as a powered passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do get plenty of door space up front, your auto stop assert lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.4 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we got our gear select. There's collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Got your center console here as well with more storage underneath. We have our rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, with dual climate up front. You got heated front seats with a 12 volt and 120. Storage buff below on the dash with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our park sensing. You can turn on or off, hazards and traction, and a 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls just right here, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging and email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF02711. And you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.